Okay.
All right. So we're back.
I put this back in its plastic case so it would stay safe during these troubling times.
Let's go back on here. I can actually pull this laptop back up now. But, hi.
Hi.
So, all right, let's figure out how this goes in. It's got all sorts of fun doodads on it.
Yeah.
And then in here let me clear this up a little bit. In here, we got to make it fit.
Yep.
So just line up it's just line up the pieces. You play video games.
Not really, no. Wait, which, okay, so this needs to go this side down, yeah. All right, so this.
Oh, that doesn't seem right.
That doesn't, this does not fit on here. Do you see what we got here? You see how this is going on here?
Wait, that just looks like the wrong chip.
Yeah.
That looks like this motherboard doesn't support this chip.
Yeah.
Is that possible?
I don't know.
That's crazy. Where's the, let's check our pieces.
You want to see the box for it? Or?
Yeah. Let's see what they sent us. Because I didn't even look at this stuff when they put it in there.
Intel Core i7 processor.
Okay. So we got an i7 and the motherboard.
Motherboard box is right here. That's how this is going to end, is with... No, everything's fine. I got it. Nothing is fucked, dude.
Oh, come on. Where are you?
Let's definitely let this stream end with us realizing that we have the wrong processor and this all just being for naught.
How does it not just say right on the box here?
Sports, Intel Inside Core and chipset Z97.
Well, what the fuck is a Z97? I don't think that doesn't seem right to me at all.
Okay, well.
That doesn't seem right. Well.
So this has been building a PC with
holy cow.
Giantbomb East.
Wait, is this... Chat knows this is not gonna... What the fuck is a Z97? It looks too big.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it fits into the space that we have here.
No, it's huge.
So yeah, it doesn't. It literally is just too big for the chip space that we have here.
I mean, it looks like it. Is that possible? I still am finding. All right, hold on. Let me see the box again.
Yep. Sorry, pick this up.
Oh, I'm so confused.
I am too. Again, I've not done this in a very, very long time. This is, I think the last time I did it, I didn't actually have to put the processor on the motherboard.
I might just be refusing.
You just can't, you aren't willing to acknowledge the possibility that this has gone wrong.
LGA 1150. I have no idea. Hey, Alex.
Hi, Vinny. So we're probably not going to archive this, are we?
This stream?
This stream.
Probably not. It's probably no good reason.
Yeah, I just don't think we have the right type of processor here.
It doesn't seem like it.
Like, okay, so there, I see the notches that they were talking about.
Yep.
They are too wide for this.
Yep. No,
so
that doesn't fit.
This is 100% the wrong type. So that was building a PC with Giantbomb East.
How did we get the wrong parts?
I don't know. I don't know. It's okay.